50 to 60 years ago, people were introduced to peanut butter for the first time. They looked it over carefully. The daring and courageous bought it. Well, children loved it. But Ma and Pa were more critical.
We interrupt this peanut butter commercial to bring you breaking news from New Orleans. Sergeant Sam Circle of a future-saturated realm has warned us of a goblin bird creature who destroyed someone's house on the news last Saturday.
But now we see this goblin bird creature attacking planes leaving New Orleans. What is this being? What does it want?
Hello? Hello? I'm here to help. Somebody had complained about the smoking section, and I'm just trying to help. So let me in this plane. I'm gonna have to take it down if we're not gonna help with the smoke. Look, it's really, you're gonna learn. Once you get to the universe, that the smoking is actually not good. I'm just here to serve the environment. You don't understand. People just don't understand me. I'm here to destroy, but I'm also here to save. So please, just let me in the plane. Don't be scared of me. Why are you screaming? I do not understand. You know what? I'm gonna go find. I'm gonna help somebody else. I'm gonna go back to the house I helped.
They discovered it had several drawbacks. It became oily and sticky and didn't stay fresh very long.